Okay, so we got this package today, and we're gonna open it.
It's upside down. Oh, instructions are right here. There's the instructions.
Activate your warranty.
Here's something. Well, that's the inspection thing. It's all in Chinese.
Griddle production checking sheet. Well, the specification has been checked and the salamander has been checked.
Okay, hang on to this.
We got the 17-inch. So hopefully it will be easy to take with us. English. Assembly instructions. Place the griddle on a smooth, flat surface and attach the 4 griddle feet and the 4 M8 flange nuts to the bottom of the griddle in the pre-threaded hole. Did you get a little package of things? Oh, there's a whole box of stuff. Okay. Well, step 1 is, oh, the feet go on this part. And this part, that goes on here. But we're not there yet. Getting a little windy.
Yep.
Windier. It was windy earlier, now it's getting windier. Oh, it came with a couple of those things, but we're not getting until the end of March or mid-March. Here, let me have that bag. Those are the feet.
This is the handle. Goes someplace. That hose isn't gonna work.
Uh-oh.
We can still do it, but I'm gonna have to use the other hose.
Well, they may have an adapter for that at Home Depot.
Well, I'll check into it. Or I'll see what he does on his.
Oh, okay. All right, well, here. There's the nut.
Where does it go? What is it?
It's the foot. Goes right there in that hole.
Give it to me.
you want that table over here?
Well, the picnic table would be really good.
Well, we can move over there.